We South Africans are thrilled and very proud that the beautiful De Hoop Nature Reserve has been designated a World Heritage Site. It is situated about 3 hours' drive east of Cape Town, near Cape Agulhas, which is the southernmost tip of Africa, and very close to the famed Garden Route. It covers about 340 square miles and contains one of the largest areas of lowland fynbos.
We visited the reserve in February 2015 and stayed in one of the well-appointed cottages. We were self-catering in South African style, with a braai each evening. The reserve provides a safe haven for rare animals, such as the bontebok. And the Cape Mountain zebra. Herds of eland roam freely, and families of baboons live in some of the dense scrubland. There are 260 bird species, including the black African oystercatcher and several family groups of ostriches. The De Hoop Vlei is a 10-mile long brackish lake formed when the River Soet was blocked at its mouth by migrating sandbars. In flood years it supports up to 30,000 birds, many of which can be seen feeding along the edge of the lake. But perhaps the most spectacular feature of De Hoop is the string of sand dunes bordering the coastal edge of the reserve.
Intrepid explorers.
The coastline is outstandingly beautiful, with sandy bays and pristine beaches. Offshore, there is a 3-mile-long marine reserve, which is a favourite calving location for the southern right whale from June to November each year. A few boardwalks aid access to the beaches and the dunes. Relaxing on the beaches or climbing the sand dunes is an invigorating pastime in any visit to De Hoop Nature Reserve. We thoroughly enjoyed our visit and were sad to leave at the end of 2 days.